price on, we can see price rallying higher. And what's interesting to understand is price rallied higher all the way to the previous day high before potentially giving us a reversal, right? So we saw price kind of reversing at this area. So you want to be very accurate. You want to be very accurate with your targets, right? So I first targeted this high and scaled out positions over here. So if I just go to the Discord and show the entries over here, give us a second for it to load. So what we were looking for here on the Discord is, so this was the previous day, so this trade was just over $400 for the day. So again, to break it down, this is my entry. So my entry was at 63.01, stop loss just below the zone over here, so 62.08, so about a 3.5 point, and this was my first overall target, right? So 11 MES contracts in, just under $400 of profit, right? So $400. So that was the initial trade over here. So notice how the absorption happened. This is the 10 a.m. candle, right? The absorption of sellers happened just below the 10 a.m. Eastern. Something else to bear in mind, right? The absorption for buyers will come below the 10 a.m. Eastern because the market will absorb below the 10 a.m. before shooting higher. That's something you want to know from an ICT perspective, right? So again, 15-minute fair value gap just below the 10 a.m. Eastern, aggressive sellers trap, buyers in control, right? Previous day high hit. So if you want to catch these high risk reward trades like this, you need to understand where the buyers are entering the market, right? Where are the buyers entering the market? So we're going to go over this entry one more time, and I want traders to pay attention not to any of the numbers. I want traders to pay attention to what was going on over here. So on the 1 minute chart, we